What up, Fig? And what up, L7 on YouTube? NQ kind of bullish? Yeah, man. Figs, did you end up in that NQ long from earlier? Dude, that one was a doozy. That one was a doozy. I ended up cutting it. Dude, that one. What was it? My original stop loss is right there. Look at how close that got. That was nuts. Look at how close that got. And then that was my stop loss. Isn't that nuts? Yo, what up? What up, Coobs? Yusufu, I mean. Yusuf, sorry. Yusufu, I'm sorry. My bad. What up, man? But yeah, man, Figs, dude. Yeah, man, it dropped and then it made its way back up. I didn't like how it stalled out a little bit. So that's why I cut the trade. I cut it there. So I'm up 493 on the day, but let's see if we can get a re-entry if we see what we want. The long earlier from New York. Where was it? The New York long that I had in mind. It was way up here. It was like way down here. No, hang on. Yeah, I longed like right here. I longed right there. I went for a long for New York, then it made its way over here, fell short. And then, yeah, so now we decide that this is where we want to go for it now. Okay, but look, this is actually what I want to bring up. This is what I want to bring up here. Like the Thursday and Friday, it did not look too hot, but I think we have a good chance of finally going up here. We have a good chance of going for this high. Because Thursday and Friday we sold off. Monday we're obviously recovering. Now we're back within, you know, the area where I was like aiming for 26,300. Those were the targets I had. So let's see, man. NQ I was long then dumb, so I short, but now it's bullish. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. I was bullish from the get-go. Honestly, though, you can be bullish, but the real question now is like, where do you get your entry? Just because of this. If I clear up this chart, we swept Friday's low, and then Monday, quote unquote, today still today, we closed very bullish. So, in turn, what I want to see At that point now, what I want to see is, price. If it does choose to, retrace, I want to see a shallow run to the downside, which it barely left a wick behind. It barely left that wick. Like, it's not letting me do the thing. But it barely left this. Oh my goodness, bro, this drawing tool. It barely left that wick right there. It's only less than 10-point wick. So for some, yeah, we're looking pretty bullish, but I do feel that it might want to retrace, sweep that, and then make our way higher. Possibly. Obviously, we don't know. The market's going to do what it wants to do, but that's just an assumption. But we don't know. Even if it does decide to retrace, like London coming up, it might just want to retrace. And if it does come down, I will be looking for long entries if I can, if I'm awake, or by New York. If we, if we respect the upper half of this candle. So a long entry somewhere above here, if it fails and just starts trading below, that's completely invalidated. But for right now, we're lingering previous day high. So we are lingering there. So the 4 hour, it closes in less than an hour and 20 minutes. So yeah, by London, we should get a real good idea of what this is going to look. You're short since 25,932. Oh yeah, man. This is the 4 hour, bro. It doesn't look like at the moment right now, I don't see a reason to short it unless we just start rejecting this resistance zone. And on top of that, the 4 hour, I mean, that looks pretty bullish to me, bro. And it's the 1 hour too. You can see that this is the previous day high. We were trading. We attempted to go low. This is when I was in the long. It got so close to my stop, and then we recovered, and now we're supporting up here above the previous day high. So I'm still pretty bullish, but the entry now is what, like, the next question here. We broke out of this right here, resistance. This candle right here broke out of it, and then this current hourly candle is the one that retested it, and it's leaving behind that wick. Same thing here on the 30-minute. If we just move this, resistance, this one closed above, but now this is obviously the one that, this is where we want to see the retest and the hold, and we want to see it hold. I think I'm gonna re-enter here. I'm gonna re-enter, but with 1 micro. I'm gonna re-enter, but I want to see what I want to see here though is it close above these red candles. Yeah, man. That's what I got going on. That's what I have in mind here. Yeah, bro. That see, I mean, dude, that's what L7. I thought I was gonna get stopped out, bro. I mean, I thought I was gonna get stopped out at first. This is, what I saw earlier. Look, let me go to this. Let me go to replay mode. So look, we have a resistance that we're breaking through, right? Right there. And then I took my entry on the 15 minute is what I was looking for. Boom, boom. We made these two red candles. And then this third one right here, buyers just stepped in heavy. I took my entry right there at the close. And then what was it like? Where was my stop loss? It was like 8. Let me see. Let me find out. 896.75. And so I gave it all that room. I gave it all that room. And that, to me, this was like, okay, we're breaking out of resistance. Now this right here, supported. Okay, I'm taking my entry. 9 times out of 10, this is what I'll enter every single time, whether it's a win or loss. I'll enter this. But instead, let's see what happens. Look at this. Look at how close it got to my stop. And look, actually, before it goes lower, it did it again right there. 2 red candles, third one, close. I was like, okay, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want to see for continuation. But nope. It just kept going down. I was like, bruh. But then, look at this. Ooh. Ooh-wee. So this one was a roller coaster for me. I'm not upset. I'm not upset though. I'm not upset at all because again, 9 times out of 10, that's how I take my entries every single time. But, unfortunate that we didn't see this move up. But that's exactly where we are now. And so I just cut it. I was like, it's stalled. I'm just going to cut it, see if I can get a better entry. So that's where we are here. I'm still thinking longs here. Yeah, man, the market was pretty crazy. Okay, so but okay, so this is a relevant little level here. I could take my entry right here and stop loss at this low, which I think I might, but let me explain this first because I'm also not trying to FOMO into on this. But you can see this right here. These candles right there, you can see how heavy or how strong, how much of a brick wall this level is. Oh wow, look, I could have taken my entry. Damn. Okay, okay. We're not gonna FOMO. We're not gonna FOMO. Anyway, but yeah, this is a brick wall right here. And you guys see what after what I was explaining here? Do you guys see the how what would get me to long this? Resistance. We're breaking out with a candle closure. The following one is being supported. And now this one's the one that this is the one that is trying to break out. Yeah, Figs. That's exactly what I'm thinking. Just
Oh, I just saw this message.
no, you're good, man. Yeah, Figs. That's what will probably be better for us to wait for a pullback, just because the top of the hour could just dump us. That's what could happen. This could just get our attention, only for it to screw us over. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. But I'm still leaning alongside because again, from everything I was just explaining, a brick wall, we're breaking out. Now we're trying to support it here. And based on the order block entries that I was just talking about, the 2 red candles, this isn't the closure I wanted to see. But if this one gives us that closure in the next 10, then yeah, a pullback would be appropriate, or what I would be looking for to, go for that long.
Long on what?
Hmm?
Long on what, NQ?
Yeah, but we're being patient here.
Yeah, I just got done trading silver for a little bit.
I'm gonna look at it right now. I'm just kind of.
Silver's looking heavy, man, to dump. I just traded. I was down like I think 1,200, and then I got out at like $180 profit. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna pause right there, take a breather.
Damn. Yeah, that's scary, bro.
Hold on one second.
Dude, I was risking $3,000 on this long earlier. And then that's kind of why I was like, dude, like I don't know if I want to deal with that, I didn't want to deal with that, so I just cut the trade in profit. I was feeling really good about it, dude, and I was just like, fuck. Like with this pullback, Figs, with this pullbacks, I was like, bruh. I was like, damn. But I stayed true to my stop loss, and it paid off for me to come out break even. But again, I don't know if you remember me talking about. I don't know if you remember me last week. I was talking about 26 300, dude. It's not far off. It's right here. If we can go to bed, wake up to a move like that. Go to bed, go to 26 300. Matter of fact, L7, you were in the stream where that trade that it just popped 300 points. You were in that trade stream where we were talking about that level and then price just popped 300 points. I think so, bro. I mean, I think so. I definitely think it's worth a shot, man. Because look, again, the daily, this is the reversal candle. What I expect today is to be an expansion candle. So I expect it to move. And if you consider what I was just talking about with order blocks, what do we got right here? What do we got right there? So, and the 26,300 just so happens to, land right here at this next resistance level on the daily. So these things are lining up, but now the main thing that we got to really, dial in on is the entries. We know where it's going, but the entry is the next question. Okay, so I think that's good for NQ for now. Let's just wait for the top of the hour. Let me look at silver here for Kubskis. Okay, we're at a level that I had marked out. Let's see. I don't know, man. Silver on the daily just looks messed up. At 11:45, okay, so that could move the French government budget balance. Yeah, that could move the market for sure. That could give us some volume. I know, bro. Silver, no. For a funded, bro, no. And plus, dude, silver and gold, it's extremely dangerous right now. Yeah, it's awesome to trade it and get these big ass wins, but right now, the spread, it's like a 10 tick spread, and that's ugly. So, I mean, you saw what happened to gambling. He entered 3 and immediately got liquidated. It's though that has to do with the spreads. There's not enough people trading it. Even with even with uh even with NQ, I mean, normally I'd be trading the just normal NQ contract. But let me show you. Let me zoom in. Even with NQ, look right here on the right side. It's a dollar spread. That's wide. It's typically like 50, 75 cents, but it's jumping over a dollar. So if you get a fill, like market order, let's see. If I get in, it's not immediately down like 75 bucks. You saw that? 50. It's just not ugly. But then if you look at micro, it's just about the same. What was I on? Thank you. Yeah. 50. So I like these spreads a lot better. And look, I'm in 20 micros on my practice already, up 1100. Oh shit, is it moving? Did I just miss it? Did I just miss NQ again?
What?
Oh no, we're waiting on the pullback. Never mind.
How much are you up?
Oh no, it's on the practice account. I was just showing them about spreads.
All right, let me get set up for NQ.
And then
We got to make some
silver.
money.
Let's see. If I go 3, let's see what the spread is.
Silver's looking heavy, my guy.
3 micros. Yeah. Yeah, we're waiting for the top of the hour. Oh, I'm in a gold too. I think. I don't even know what I'm on. I'm in a trade. What am I in?
You're what? We are in silver.
No. I'm in my practice account. But I'm in a trade, an open trade right now on my practice account. I just don't know what I'm in. L7, yeah, I only use Top Step. But I think I might try my funded futures just because they have a flex add-on to where your max payout can be $5,000. I might try them. I've gotten a payout with them, but before that it was max 3,000. Dude, I don't know what I'm in on this practice account.
RTY.
Oh, I could be in something like that.
Doesn't tell you. Look at your last orders.
Positions. Here we go. MES. I'm in MES. I forgot I was looking at that because I was trying to figure out like what it would look like too. Anyway, okay, yeah. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, let's look at silver.
And that shit is just so chop. It's just like it's annoying. Scalping though would be fun. What's our entry on NQ that we're looking to get into?
If we could, we want to get it in the 970s, like from 970 to 975. That would be the perfect entry at the support, or 979.50. Okay, top of the hour right here. Yusuf, what's up, bro? You said you just started. You said you just started trading futures.
Assalamu alaikum, Yusuf. Yusuf.
I'm gonna go with 10 micros, if we get it.
You're at that 70 mark or 79.
Yeah, 79.50 is my entry.
Yeah,
If we
I'm gonna
can get
set
it, hopefully
mine
we
there.
get it here.
We'll set mine there too.
Okay, we're in. We're risking. I'll risk the low right here, so that's $300. I'll even it out to 300. Oh wait, I said 10, but I'm in 5.
Micros.
Yeah, I'm gonna add here. Join bid. Okay, we're in. I'm gonna risk $500 total. $500. Okay, let's see. $500. I would love 26,300. That would be awesome. That's $6,400. If we can get up here, I'll take partials at that high. Boom. Okay. That's the trade right there, fellas.
I'm sorry, what's the stop loss at? Because I'm looking at my screen and not yours. I'm trying to manage.
My stop loss is 951.75.
950, 70.
And again, this is I know, bro. L7, that's like my favorite number this last week, the last 7 days. But this is a simple trade, guys. Simple, simple, simple. If it doesn't work, that's fine. Look at this. It's a simple break and retest trade. A break and retest long here. The 30-minute, you see it way better on the 30-minute. We break out of this. Now we are retesting and we're supporting. All we want to see is for this to be true and continue up. Another leg up. It's as simple as that.
Top of the hour, get a screen. Come on.
We've been so close to 26,000 too. We've been so close to that big round number right there. Okay, now that that's done, let me chart something else. Because I know you're itching for silver. Let's see. We're definitely in a range for sure for silver. So I think it's going to go to either one of these relevant swings. It's squeezing too. It's getting tighter and tighter. It's going to break out to one direction for sure.
Come on, Ice Bag, bring us to the promised land. There we go, buddy. There we go.
Up a hundo, 130.
Bring us one more leg up. Bring us one more leg up, Ice Bag. One more leg up, Ice Bag. Nice Ice Bag. Nice Ice Bag. Keep it going, Ice Bag.
Come on, man.
Oh, who's in this with us?
Coobs, silver does have, it looks like it's respecting a trend line. I think that's very interesting for you.
Yeah, I made $182. Let's go, baby.
I'm up 200.
I'm up $540. I went 3 minis on this, risking it, but managing my risk. Sorry, not risking it, managing my risk. Correct my sentence.
It's also
We're up
fair to go. It's also fair to go break even or take partials at 26,000 just because it's a big round number. So we
Yeah,
could
that's
see
what
some
I'm
sort of
gonna do.
reaction there. L7, no, that's my friend Coobs here on Discord, the Discord chat.
What up, L7? Come to the Discord, baby.
He's asking if that was AI speaking.
No, I'm definitely not AI. That's for sure, my guy. That's for sure. Come on, let's bounce off this 20 EMA. There we go. Give me one more leg up. One more leg up. Just like how Icebag said, this was a nice trade break and retest.
Okay, so
I don't
let's
like
silver
it.
though.
No. It's the leg up, the leg up.
Cool. So yeah. Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. Keep pushing.
Give us one last push. Let's push. Come on. Come on. One last push, baby. One last push. One last push. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it. Nice. Nice, nice. Push it one more time. Push it for daddy one more time. Keep pushing. Nice. Now we just flip to a 2-star buy. I'm going to let this ride out.
If on the 5 minute, if this closes above right here, guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss to this low, to 972.25. If we can get a closure above. There we go. Let's go, baby.
Let's go, baby. Ice Bag. With Ice Bag, you don't lose. Let's go. Let's go. I'm up a grand, Ice Bag, and I haven't trimmed. I'm up a grand. I'm really looking to see if it's gonna break 26,000.
Yeah, dude. If we break 26,000 and hold up there, I got.
So we're 7 points away, chat. We're 7 points away from 26K, and we could actually target 2650, 2620. Looks like it's gonna break it.
2640 is where I have my partials.
Yep. There's more sellers and buyers at that 26 level.
Yeah, dude, it's been a very strong level for sure. That's why I said it's fair to go break even or take your partials there.
Yep, but I think we're gonna break it. I think we break it, Ice Bag. I think we break it. Give us 7 more points. Push me up. This thing is gonna fly if it breaks that level. 5 more points. 5 more points.
Let's go. 2 more minutes.
Yep,
Come on,
5
close.
more points.
Let's go, baby.
Ice Bag, I'm up $1,095. I'm up $1,095. I'm up $1,095, guys.
I just wanted to close up there so I can go break even or move my stop loss. I want to see it close.
I got out just because
you're good,
I made $1,000 today, which is good. So I'm happy with that. I'm content. I'm trying to manage my risk. My account is at $152,759.
Nice. Nice,
Yep.
dude.
Yeah. So I've been managing it, guys. The road to 1,000 to $1 million. The road to 1,000 to $1 million is serious.
Okay, less than 2 minutes, less than an hour, a minute and 30 seconds. If it closes above, I'm moving my stop loss.
That was a beautiful, beautiful session, guys. Let me know how much you're up in the chat. Let me know how much money you guys are up. I decided to get out, managing risk, managing my position. So I'm up a grand today, just trading futures. Why not? So I'm trying to pass this account.
I'm up 335.
Nice. Perfect entry too. Beautiful entry, Ice Bag. You were literally
beautiful. No, I really want to see some follow through. I think I'm gonna move my stop loss just a little bit because of my profit, my PNL right now. That's already secured is 490.
Chat, please copy and paste how much you are up and tag at gains. Tag us. in the profit section. Let them know that they're missing out on futures. Like I said, that 26,000 level is a huge resistance. There are more sellers than buyers. So just kind of be cautious and aware of that. I still think we break it, but I got out of the trade just because I'm up 1,000 and I'm content with that.
I think
I'm
we
not trying to
barely.
bust it up.
I think we barely closed. I think we barely closed above or at it.
Yeah.
That's good enough for me. I'll move it. I'll move it. I'll move my stop loss. So now at that low, so now my stop loss is total risk is 75 bucks on this trade.
You haven't taken any partials, right?
No. If we break through 26, I want my partials to be taken at 26.40. Other than that, I'm perfectly fine if this doesn't if it just stops me out. I definitely want a lot of this move. I want majority of this move, I mean.
So I'm 2 for 2 today, Ice Bag. I'm 2 for 2.
Nice, dude.
I mean, I'm sorry. I'm gonna show you my calendar. A screenshot. So 1 second, chat. Dude, I've literally taken almost the exact amount, the exact same amount of trades.
Well, look at this
7 trades
pop.
yesterday, 10 trades today. Trying to one thing I've always yep, and looks like we just broke a chat. So congrats. You guys are gonna actually get paid now.
Yeah, dude. Looks like we want to break now. Come on, baby. Silver though is respecting that trend line. If it breaks, dude, exactly how you're saying, it's heavy. I think we see it drop.
Yeah. SI, let's see. Oh, it didn't even break it. It went all the way up, Ice Bag. It ripped up.
Yeah, it
Holy
didn't
shit,
break it.
Ice Bag ripped
It's just
up.
that's what I said. It's respecting that line for you.
Yeah,
If it
damn.
breaks, then yeah, you can probably catch something.
I'm so glad I got out of that short position with a profit of $184. God, my gut was right. I'm like, this looks like it's acting at like support now. Now silver decides to move. Yeesh.
Okay, we want to break. We're literally a point away from 26,000. Just break it. Come on now. And if we break 26,000, I am going to officially go break even and I'm hands off after that until stop profit or my partials and all that good stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna break it.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. 50 cents away. Come on now, baby. Okay, we broke it. Yeah, we did. Okay, I'm officially going break even. We did. We did barely. I'm officially break even on this trade. Officially break even.
Let me know how much you guys are up in the chat. Yusuf, did you take it? Figs, Moscow, I know you're in there.
And again, guys, because 26,000 has been a level all the last 2 days, it's fair to go break even or take your partials here at this level. Make sure you guys are managing this position.
Oh, silver decided to rip without me.
Nice, bro. Good stuff. Look at it. Want to pop now. Come on. Come on, baby. I need some new shoes. Okay, we close below that. Come on now. Come on, bitch. I know, bro. Valentine's coming up, bro. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. I'm trying to make it to Cabo.
Yeah, tickets to Cabo, bro, please.
Also, too, like if there's any if you ever feel, I think this is more so like a side note here. If you ever feel like there's a move happening and then you feel like you missed out, you can always wait for this to set up. I feel like I'm being very repetitive with like this, the 3 red candles, and then we finally see some volume up above it. We close, even if we miss this entry, I would be considering an entry right here. We'll stop right below here. That's why it makes sense for me to go break even here. Because if I entered here instead of down here, and this was my trade, my stop loss would go down here either way. So that's why it makes sense for me to move my stop loss here, because that's where I would be if I was re-entering for a continuation. If that makes sense. So far, so good though.
Now Silver decides to move you. Q's literally at that 26,000 mark.
I know, dude. It's definitely proving to be a very, very heavy level. So like, just keep this in mind for the morning session. If you're looking at, for New York, if you guys wake up and we're trading above and we tend to like, if you guys see some sort of dump, keep an eye on this level, 26,000 for support to be built up. In case it fails, it dumps, and then you wake up to it being above. If that makes sense. So this is gonna
yes,
be
yeah.
this will be a good spot to see support being built in New York, and then just play that off. If tomorrow we keep pushing.
Valentine's Day is coming up, guys. That is true. So make sure you have all your dates lined up.
I think Yusuf fell asleep.
I take them. I know Moscow. Did you fall? Moscow's online at this.
Moscow, you in this, bro?
Yes, I'm in Combine trying to pass 225. You just have $225 left.
Nice. Oh, you only need 225 left? Nice, bro.
Oh, man.
Okay, let me look at gold real quick. Yo, what up, Anode?
Yo, Anode's in the house. That's my guy right there. My guy, Anode.
Okay, so
I tried to trade silver and became quick rich and blew. Oh, Anode.
you know what, bro?
Anode, do you want to hear something crazy? Anode. So I was trading silver. I was in a short and I only had I had 3 micros on silver I was down like 745, and I'm like, yep, I did this to myself again. And then it dropped, got me to $180 profit, got out. Now I took the NQ longs. Now I just made a G. But dude, silver, oh my god.
Okay, this is a very bullish close on gold too.
Yeah, bro, it was so epic. Like, and the thing is, like, I was trying to maintain the trade, and my cat kept meowing.
Fucking
Too
cat.
much. Yeah,
Fucking pussy.
yeah. Bro, he kept on hopping on my lap, and then he was meowing. I'm like, bro, what do you want? Like, what do you want from me?
Your pussy wanted pets.
Yeah, he's a nice pussy.
Tomorrow, let's do a silver trade tomorrow.
I'm down to do a silver trade right now, in fact.
It's looking bullish. Gold is at least.
Silver is looking bullish too.
Let me see. I
Low key,
know,
I kind of
bro.
want to.
Gold does look good. It does. It does. It does. It does.
Silver looks good too. I kind of
But
want to.
I like the hourly level, the hour chart. It looks cleaner to me. If I can see a clean entry on like the 15 or something, then yeah, I'd like to.
Can I just like
Yeah,
take a quick
gold is moving at
there?
this point now. I mean, 10 points can wreck you. Yeah, 10 points. Look how tight that is if you see it.
What would you get? Would this be a bad silver play or no? If I got it, just like quick in and out,
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
it's just like literally a quick scalp.
The 5 minute,
Looks good, right?
it just started. I would say so, but I would be very, very careful with it. Because again, if it pulls back, then just because of this right
Just gonna
here.
be. I'm just gonna be in and out real quick, okay?
Yeah, yeah. But be very careful though.
Should I do one mini or that's too
Dude,
crazy?
it's crazy, bro. Yeah, NQ.
Oh
Look
shit!
at
I'm
this.
actually on silver. Fuck.
Look at NQ. It's 26,000 is the level. Look at those wicks right off of it.
Yeah,
26,000.
and I don't want to lose
26,000.
the gains that I just made.
Yeah, I'm gonna secure some more. I'm gonna get out of 5 right here. Oh wait, no, I'm buying. Oh shit. I was about to add. Okay. Okay, I'm out of 5. I'm out of 5. So I have 5 left. Oh, did you do it, bro? That was a nice push on
Yeah.
silver.
No! Push up! Push up! Push up!
That was a nice little push.
Push up! Push up! Push up! Push up! Push up! You do not want to push up.
Yeah, I took partials on NQ a lot sooner just because 26,000 does look like it is going to be the level that's going to be tough until New York or something. So I'm
All right, I got out.
Yeah, so okay, I'm hands free off this one now. So let's see what else we can trade. Silver, did you get it? Did you get it on silver?
Yeah, I made $150 and I got out. I was in 1 minute. I was like, fuck this, I'm not doing this. It was like literally down 600. I was like, yeah, I'm not touching this, bro. Fuck that. I'm not gonna blow my account trading. I'm not gonna do that. Too risky.
We have a new 30-minute candle on coming up right here actually.
And like the thing is, like you lose so much when it like drops like point like 10 cents.
Yeah.
Just don't want to risk it.
So for silver, I mean, I see this right here. I mean, this is the only spot where you can expect resistance for sure. 85. If we get past that, create a support.
Yeah, but bro, like it just doesn't make sense, you know, like you work so hard and then like just to blow it off one click.
See you, bro. See you, Ned. Yeah, look at this on NQ. It's in the area that I
Yeah.
want to see respected,
Good
but
thing I
yeah.
Dude, good thing I got out of silver because I would have been down probably 2 grand right now.
Yeah, you probably would have. But that's a nice candle closure on the 30-minute, though.
Good thing I got out. Oh, good thing I definitely got out. Yeah, anode blew the account.
Let's look at gold. Okay, gold is breaking out. Okay, look at this. Okay.
Can we enter a gold trade?
I think I might here. Hang on.
Follow you.
Okay, so let's see. 30-minute. We closed above right here.
Yeah, silver's popping out.
Ooh, gold, bro. On the 15-minute, I would like to see a bigger wick down. Give this
Oh,
here
what
a
was that
retest.
candle? Holy shit.
Give this a retest. And then if it flips back and breaks its high, I could get in. What are the chances that it just completely recovers this entire move on gold and silver?
Yeah. And silver's that big candle, yeah, that you would lose it. Holy shit. Literally, like honestly, with silver, you just have to get lucky. Like, let me check gold MGC. Gold's looking good too. Gold just ripped.
I'm up 227 on my NQ trade, so that means it's recovering. Typically, you want to look at the last 30 days, Figs. The last 30 days for levels, but the simplest way that you can do it is here. Let's see. Let me clear this up. Let me go to something else, because there's not much for gold right now at the moment because it just dumped. Okay, so if you don't see anything clear, like look at this, like in the daily on the daily for NQ, you see that it closed right here, then it opened here. It's just all over the place. So you can go to like the 4 hour, and you can see that this right here, because a resistance or support is just a green and red candle together. So right here, green, red. So you can mark this as a resistance. I'll just mark the top, and you can see that that's exactly where we are, right? That's exactly where we are for NQ. So if we can break and create a support at this level, then the next target you can aim for would be up here. Because, you know, look at all these red and green candles grouped together. So that could be your price target. Or if you want higher, just make sure that you're managing at this level. This is where you want to be. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on, like, if you want to take partials, move your stop loss, yada yada. Or highs, but that's a side
Holy
note.
shit, silver's moving up, dude. Fuck.
Does that make sense, Figs? Um, and yeah, it's because the reason why I go from like the daily or the 4 is because if you go to like the 5, it's just messy. I mean, if you really want to go for it, I mean, you got that one right there, then that one right here, then that one right there. Just all these obviously red, green, but the clean levels that you really want to pay attention to, 4 hour or the 1 hour. In New York, you could do the 1 hour just because it moves so fast. You can, if you're looking to scalp, then you can use the 1 hour. So you can see that's exactly how we took our entries today for NQ. You see the 1 hour level? And yeah, man, you know the rest right here. We took the entry on NQ. And that's what we're looking at for gold here. 30-minute, it's a clean level, clean resistance. If it looks messy, then zoom out a little bit. Because it doesn't look...
What would your entry be?
My entry for gold?
Yeah.
I would like to get it like around, if it sets up around like 48.77 too. But if it wicks down, then I will want to get my entry at the break of its 15-minute high. Because then that means that there's momentum to go higher. But look, Figs, I just drew that out. This is my first time seeing it actually, now that I pointed it out. But look, this is exactly on NQ on the right side here. Look at where we are deciding to reject and testing it. If we break through, then I would want to see a support now for another leg up higher. But you can see right here that this is exactly where we are. It's rejecting, it's, sell orders are coming in, things like that. Okay, let's see if we can get something on silver. Yeah, man, silver's doing it, man. It's doing the thing. Look, even on silver, bro. Like I just marked this level out for Coops for that little fast scalp. We broke and we left these wicks behind. That's insinuating support for another move up, and that's exactly what it's doing right now. Well, you look at that.
Are we not gonna get an entry on gold?
Let's see. Silver looks a lot cleaner for an entry than gold does. Look at, yeah, silver's... You want to get it on silver, huh? Okay, fine. I'll do it. Fuck it. Okay, so let me close out of NQ then. I'm going to close out of my NQ one. So I at least have something here. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I'm still on it. Okay, I'm closing out of my NQ. Let's see if we can get something here on silver, micro silver.
And if I can make 4,500 today, that'd be easy. To be honest.
Okay, let's see. I gotta take a...
Yeah, no rush, no rush. If you don't feel comfortable, that's no rush. Jeez, it's just picking up.
Dude, I don't know. I don't know if I want to.
Yeah,
Oh, man.
no, It's fine, bro. It's dangerous, man. Like
It's just the order book is thin.
the
That's
move
why
happened, bro.
the
The
order book
move
is thin.
happened. Let's be realistic, guys. The move happened on silver. The move happened on silver. We missed it. So
The thing with silver though is like we be buying into this resistance.
yeah.
So we be buying into that.
Can you imagine though if it breaks that? Sheesh.
If it does break, then $88.
That'd be a nice payday. It's like I want to go for it so bad.
Okay, on my practice account.
Can you do 3 micros on the practice account?
And how much of a stop loss you want?
I don't know. Like I'd love to make 4,500 today. That's all I want to say. But
So then how much do you want to risk? Ooh, look at that pop.
yeah, fuck, dude. It's like
Ooh, it's going, bro.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
It's like, do I hop in? Do I hop out?
It's at the resistance right now.
Yeah,
I'm up $700 on this 3 micros on the practice account. Wow.
really?
Yeah.
Where did you enter?
85 and 115.
85, 115. It's at 85, 290. Part of me wants to go for it, but part of me is saying no. It dips down more to like 85, 1. Maybe I'll take it there.
Wow, what a move.
It's so far.
Gold. Look at gold.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. It's gonna maybe potentially dip to the 20 EMA 84.6.
Okay, so then maybe I got out of NQ for no reason. I thought I was gonna be down, but nah. Oh, look at this recovery on NQ. Damn, that's crazy. That's
Look at silver
crazy.
now. Good thing I never got in.
I should have stayed in. Damn. It's all good. We got a piece of
Wow,
the pie.
silver. Wow. No. Silver gonna dump? Holy shit.
Yeah,
It
you
may
were gonna get
actually,
in on that too.
yeah, but I want to get in now on the long. I want to see what it's bouncing off the 20 EMA, respecting that level. Ooh, it's dumping. I want to see what it does at the 20 EMA. 20 EMA is at 755.84, and it looks like it's bouncing. And look at that candle. I risk it for the biscuit ice bag or no? Too risky.
Right here could be a support on the 1 minute. It's worth a shot, but tight risk.
Keeps bouncing and and I want to so bad.
It's worth a shot, dude. If you do, I would just risk like what you made today, but I wouldn't go anything past that.
All right.
But I would join the bid, not market order. And if you get filled, fine. But if you don't, then it's fine too.
Okay. Like literally bouncing off this trend line, and when it does that and it's not moving up, it makes me wonder if it's gonna push down.
Look at
The
that
17.
was a bad fill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
Did you
cleaned
fill?
it. No, I didn't do it. I'm just seeing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I broke the trend line now. It's literally below the 20 EMA, but it's bouncing up, so let's see.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, let me draw that out again. Oh no, it's way past that. Yeah, it's dumping. Or is it a pullback? I don't know silver like that. Okay, so then let's see gold. Might be an entry opportunity there. And Q decided to pull back. Oh, look at that. I thought I thought I missed out, but look, it came right back.
Dude, silver looks like it may actually dump.
Honestly, dude, I think at this point just wait for the top of the hour if you want to if you're gonna stay up for it.
I think it's gonna dump silver. This would be a quick scalp.
But yeah, you can see that right here. The 30-minute resistance that we drew out is exactly where we reacted like that.
This would be a quick scalp.
Yeah, but whatever you decide to do here, just risk what your profits. Don't go past that.
Yeah. So many opportunities. I'm just gonna let it go.
This indicator here that I have on my chart is
Yeah, it's dumping, dude.
yeah,
Fuck.
it's
Could have made two
giving
grand
me
right
sell.
there. Yeah, it gave me a 2-star sell on mine. Yeah, it's dumping. Shit, I could have made the 45. I feel sick to my stomach now.
There's a 5-minute low that we just sweat. We might see a bounce and then possibly more downside.
Yeah, wow. I think it's gonna reject off the 20 EMA. Shit. Holy shit, look at silver. Yeah, damn.
Yeah.
Now this is the moment of truth if it's gonna reject off the 20 EMA.
If I did want an entry, it would be at 84,705 is where I would consider one.
For shorting it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's rejecting. See, but wow, that candle, wow.
But this is the thing about it. Like, look at the move down and the move that it's making back up. That's why it's making me hesitate.
Yeah.
Because it could just obliterate your stop loss.
I guess that was a pullback. Yeah, it's rejecting off the 20 EMA. Rejecting off the 20 EMA. These are the moves that scare me, my guy.
Yep. Yeah, man, that's the thing about it. Okay, let me just, on my practice account, just so I can see it, I'm going to do it. I'm going to enter on,
You gonna short it?
yeah, on my practice.
Okay. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
1 minute. All right. How much are you up on the practice account?
Minus 65, 90.
Is that 1 mini?
1 micro. Okay, I'm in the money. I'm up $10.
Thinking about going for it just for a quick scalp. 3 micros I would risk. Yeah, 1 micro does a lot of damage. You're down 185. Sheesh.
You are?
No. I'm looking at your screen.
Yeah, I'm down $300 now.
Oh my god. Talk about unpredictability.
Okay, I'm gonna take this entry here because it's where I said I wanted it. So I'm closing it.
You're gonna take the long here
No. Short.
on the real account?
No. My practice. If I do enter a micro silver, I'll just risk my profits for the day. But if that
Yeah,
happens,
I'm
then I'll
thinking.
probably lock out for the day because I don't want to, try to chase it to make it back.
Yeah. Oh my god. I think that you like show us with the practice account, you know?
Say that again.
I said I like when you show us stuff like that on the practice account. Now my algo saying a 2-star buy. I don't like the way it's moving.
Yeah, it's good to have just so you can see and you can see how much you're gonna risk. Okay, we got a new hour coming up right here.
Ooh, looks like it's popping up.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Thinking should I go for it on the pop lot? Right above the 20 EMA.
What's Enki doing? Stair stepping up, but we're up. What's gold doing?
Make the decision for me, Icebag. Do I risk it for the biscuit?
Figs, you tell him.
Uh,
I'm telling Figs to tell you.
and it's like right in between the 20 EMA. It doesn't know if it wants to go up or go down. This play would be 50-50. Do it, because I wouldn't. Hey, Figs, come on. Come on, C-Figs. All right, it's waking up, which is nice. That big wick was nice.
Okay, if we were to long, let's see this target here. What would that? How much would that be?
It would need to be like now.
And we aim $88. That's $3,000.
I would go 3 micros. I'm trying to make 4,500.
Yeah, if you do it now,
Yep.
your TP would be $86.38.
All right. Buckle up, boys. You want me to share my screen on this?
Yeah, I want to see. I want to see. Okay, we got a new hour though. We got a new hour.
All right. Okay, 1 more minute till the new hour. I'm sharing my screen, so buckle up, boys, because none of you guys would want to do it. 3 micros. See, it's this ice bag that kills me. It's this right
Yeah,
here.
bro. It's the new hour. It's creating the wick down before it comes up.
Ah, now I feel like the pussy. Now I'm the pussy. All right, let's see.
I think I might take a buy on gold actually.
Like real gold or practice?
Real. Because we got a fair
For
value
real?
gap right
Is
here
it
that we
good?
left behind. If it can go tap into it, I'll put my buy order up here. But for right now, I'm gonna let it marinate a little bit.
Chat, are you seeing this, chat? Look at the fuckery on silver. Like, what is this? How do you trade this? Seriously, how do you trade this? How do you trade this ice bag? Tell me. Oh my god.
Yeah. This is why we don't jump the gun.
Jesus. This is the first level, second level.
Okay, I like this reaction here on gold. Okay, stop by one micro. Stop by
You're
one.
in gold?
Yeah, I'm in. Stop
You're
loss
in?
is at the bottom of the current. Yeah, I am at the bottom of the current candle wick. If it breaks that
Okay, I'm
low,
gonna get
then
it.
I don't want anything to do with
I'm
it.
gonna
So
get
yeah,
it. Your stop loss is at the
48.92.4. It's just $100. Silver looks like it wants to go for it too.
holy shit. Yeah, let's see. SIL. Okay, we'll see what
Actually,
pays. Silver?
I'll put my gold below this candle, the low. So $200. $200. I'll just risk what I made at an NQ.
Oh.
So for this one, I'm just gonna risk $200 to make $200.
Enter silver now.
If this 15-minute candle on silver flips green, it's worth a shot. Because that's exactly the concept that I'm using here on gold. There we go. I mean, if you went for it, it's flipped green right now.
Go for it right now. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Yeah, he's in long MGC. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I can't be scared anymore. Wait, entry though.
Yeah, I'm long micro gold. I'm risking 1 micro, and my stop loss is $200, and I'm risking $200 to make $200. Silver is making the move
All
that
right,
I
I'm
want
gonna
to see
walk.
here on gold. So if you got in on it, you should be eating right now. There we go.
I'm gonna get in right now.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Nice, nice, nice. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Nice, bro.
Holy
It's
shit,
pushing.
go.
It's pushing.
Go,
Now we're
go.
breaking out of
Push,
that
push, push,
resistance again.
push, push. Push, 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 push,
Or
push,
retesting
push.
it, I mean.
Push, 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 push. Give me one last push. One last push, one last push, one last push.
Order filled.
You should have done
What?
the entry when it flipped green.
Bro, what? I just made $69 on that? How?
It's the spreads, bro. That's what I've been
Ah,
saying. The
fuck.
spreads are insane. That's how accounts get blown so
Dude,
fast.
what the fuck? Okay,
Your spread, the
yeah.
spreads on silver are thin, even on gold too. That's what spreads are,
Why is
and
it?
that's what they do.
Why is it? Ice Wait, why is it doing that?
It's always how it's been, but right now, especially because it's extra. It's
That's how I'm expert.
oh, it's because he blew his account. Remember?
Oh,
That's why if you're gonna trade silver or gold, you have to join the bid, because then you get the best possible entry. And then if you want to get out, join the ask, but you better hope you get filled.
I see. Okay.
But you just experienced the literal thing behind spreads
So retarded,
trading.
chat. That is so retarded. I feel like I just got robbed. That is
Yeah.
That's
That's
so
spreads.
so fucking gay. Ah, shit. It's already 1 o'clock. I gotta wake up. Well,
I
it
know.
was a successful stream. I mean, I still made money. So.
Yeah, dude. I mean, that was still good. You managed it properly for sure. And you're up 1,000, so that's good.
769
Oh, nice.
because of the spreads that I got fucked over. All right, well, I mean that's a W, chat. You know, we couldn't pass the account in 2 days, but you know we're pacing ourselves. So pacing ourselves because we need that McLaren. I'd love to get a 5K payout. By the way, I'd love to get a 5K payout.
Yeah. I mean, definitely when you are funded, I would not be trading silver for sure.
No, fuck that.
Anyway, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there too. W stream, we got a nice win on NQ and gold. Let's see what this one does.
Yeah.
Let's see what this one
All
does.
right, I'm gonna go. You should wake up for New York session in the morning. Trade
Yeah,
with
I will.
us.
I will. I'm gonna lock out after
You
this,
should
so I
like
make sure I go to bed.
You should go to like.
Huh?
Yeah. All right. Adios.
All right, y'all.
Good night.
See you guys. See you guys in the morning.
Later.
All right, YouTube. W stream, guys. Yeah, man. CL7. Yeah, dude. Again, tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you go to bed. Where are you from, bro? I'm assuming. Actually, no, I can't assume. Actually, I don't know. But NQ for sure is NQ, bro. 26,000. That's I'm assuming that's gonna be an important level tomorrow. So yeah, keep that in mind. Keep your eye on that one. But all right, man. I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you later. Mexico. Yeah, man. Keep an eye on 26,000 tomorrow for NQ. Keep an eye on that. We either reject it, or if we push up and we dump to it, I would see about it creating a support. So keep an eye on it, bro. I'll catch you later.